Ever heard a strange knocking noise coming from your engine? It could be a sign of something serious. Let's dive into the science behind engine knocking and how to fix it. Engine knocking, also known as pinging or detonation, happens when the air-fuel mixture in your engine's cylinders ignites too early or unevenly. This leads to a shock wave in the combustion chamber, causing that knocking sound you hear. Instead of a smooth burn, the mixture explodes, creating damaging pressure inside the engine. So, what causes this problem? Several factors can contribute to knocking. The most common include low-quality fuel. Fuel with a low-octane rating can ignite too early. Incorrect ignition timing. If the spark plug fires too early, it can cause premature ignition. Engine overheating. High engine temperatures can also lead to knocking. High compression ratios. In high-performance engines, higher compression ratios can cause knocking if not managed properly. Knocking isn't just an annoying sound, it can seriously damage your engine over time. The shock waves caused by knocking can harm components like pistons, valves, and cylinder heads, leading to costly repairs. It can also reduce engine efficiency, making your car less fuel efficient and causing it to lose power. To solve engine knocking, start by using higher octane fuel. This prevents premature ignition by allowing for more compression without knocking. Checking ignition timing. Ensure your timing is correctly adjusted to prevent early ignition. Cooling down your engine. Keep your engine from overheating by maintaining proper coolant levels and regular maintenance. Avoiding engine modifications. If you have a high-performance engine, make sure it's properly tuned to avoid knocking from high compression ratios.